Good morning, good morning. I am still here in Hokitika. Well, I'm actually about 15 minutes drive outside because today I'm doing the treetop walk just outside on the west coast. And it's this amazing structure that they built here. You can just see it here at the beginning, where it's about 20 meters off the ground on this kind of suspended walkway. And then they've got a tower which is 47 meters up above ground level. So I'm hoping we're going to get some really nice views. It's a little bit overcast, but the sun is trying to peek through. But it makes for an interesting sky anyway. Anyway, join me on my walk, and I've got the extended selfie stick today, so this is going to be fun. Well, it's a fair old climb up to the top of the tower, but I made it. And check it out. Look how high we are up here. Yeah, excuse me, a little bit out of breath. It's quite high.